Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add hashtag to your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story and I'm going to pick random photo from my device. I'm going to go with this one. And if we want to add hashtag to our Instagram story, we can go to the sticker menu and then select the hashtag. Okay, then you can type in the hashtag right here. For instance, I'm just going to type in, wait guys, like this. Click on done and you can tap for more option. You can change the color of your hashtag like this, and I'm gonna go with this one. Then we can also move this hashtag to any part of our story. I'm just going to place it right here, and if you want to delete it, you can drag it and then go to this delete menu. Okay, and then if you're ready to share your story, you just need to click on your story, and then the story will be shared with the hashtag. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add hashtag to Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.